Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your windshield wipers of your Dacia Sandero Stepway, and it's on the front side. Let's go to the front side. Here we can see the old windshield wipers. You can lift up the arm, as you can see, but we are now focused on the top side. Here's a lever. This lever you can push down a little bit. You can see better. Push it down. And while you're pushing, then you have to pull out the full construction of your blade itself. So you can see now it's unlocked and replaced immediately. Now, okay, go back. We'll perform this again. Go down and pull it out. Then you have to care about your windshield, of course, because there is now a windshield lever on it, and this can drop into your glasses. It's not good, so take care of it. So let's perform a new one. I'm going to use here in here you can see it's really broken rubber. Now we're going to use a universal windshield wiper rubber system. This matches on different kind of cars like Alfa, R3, Audi, etc. Because inside there are some hosting systems in it, universal as you can see. Now we have to choose our right docking device. Here you can see this is one. It's not the B one. The B one is another system. And here it's in A, it's not the right system. We are going to use this system. It's a C system for the Dacia Sandero. Okay, now let's assemble this universal host system on our rubber system. It's really easy. Here you can see there is a arrow on it. The arrow shows in the right direction, and there's an arrow on the host system. Now we can match these two parts together by pushing it. Job's done. Now it's assembled, and we can go back to our car front side to attach now the new windshield wipers. The windshield wipers, we have to slide back in position with the lever is facing down. Here we are. And then push it back in position until it locks. Yeah, job's done. That it is how it works. That was number one. And you have to look which length of your rubber system is matches to the passenger side or the driver's side. In this, you can see it matches good. No problem. You will handle this too. Let's perform this now at the other side too. Again, push down the lever and pull the system out of the host. Yeah, that's easy. You can handle this too. Here we are. That it is. Good. Now we know we have to attach. Oh, the rubbers are really broken. That is time. Here it is. The system. The arrow on it. Yeah, let's cook. Yeah, there it is. Good. Now push it back or push it in position. Yep, job's done. Now we can attach it to the other side. This is the driver's side wiper. Okay, let's perform like before. We're going to look to the rail. We're going to that the lever is facing down to the lever. And then we're pushing it back in position, and that it is. Job's done. It's really easy. So nice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon. Oh yeah.